For my next video, I'd like to do one on a built-in feature called the audio eraser. And as far as I know, as of making of this video, only the Samsung S26 Ultra has the feature. So I'm running oneui 8.5. It's a final edition. It's not one of the betas. I don't know if the S24 has it in beta or not. Maybe leave me a comment down below and let me know if yours has it. But right now, all that I know of is the Samsung S26 Ultra, the brand new phone, has this. And it's really a pretty neat little feature that allows you to erase background noise on the fly. So as you're listening or watching, or listening to a video, you can erase it, and you can tune back the background noise and cut it out, and there's different settings. So instead of me talking here all day long, let's just dig right in, as I'd like to say. So I'm going to do it on one of my own videos, so YouTube doesn't nix me on anything here. So this is one of my last videos I did, and I'm going to hit play and stop talking because I've already made this video twice now, and I found that if you talk, the video also is playing in the background, and I was talking over the video, and that was kind of pointless, and this is my second attempt at making this video. So let's give myself a like here too. So here we go. So we're going to hit play, and then I won't talk, but just a little bit. Yeah, I know, bear with me. So we're going to hit play, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so here we go. Okay, for my next video, I'd like to do one. So now we want to pull down Samsung's new feature twice, and I'm going to have two phones here, so I'm trying to do this as best as possible. Samsung just came out with a new update. Doing it behind the camera. Darn it. And it's an update that will take advantage of the Samsung phone. Okay. And I have an Apple 14 Plus here on AirDrop. So and here you can set your strength and voice to one another focus from the Apple to the Samsung, or vice versa. So let me show you how to get that set up. So I'm going to hit pause on this. So it only works when it's actually playing. So I can't, it's hard to do this because I'm either going to talk or I'm not going to talk, and the video is going, and when the video is going, it's going to be playing the audio. So you kind of got to listen to two of me at the same time, which I know is rough, but so you pull down and see it's not there now. So I'm not going to talk, so just watch. So we want to go into our AirDrop. Well, this is called AirDrop Quick Share. I'm sorry. So this is Quick Share on the Android. And you want to scroll down, and you want to have share with Apple devices. Okay. So that's the setting with this. Then, okay, so I don't know if you could hear a difference there. Excuse me, but it also will work. That's YouTube. It will also work on any other audio as well. So it's not just a YouTube feature, it's an audio video feature. So if you have like a video you've made, or you have watching a video from somewhere, and that feature is cooked into the operating system, built into it, but it only does it obviously when it's being played. I don't know if it's on audio, if it's on music. I don't know. I haven't tried it on that yet. That's something you could also let me know, or maybe I'll make another video on if it's an audio eraser and erasing background noise. Maybe it works on just audio instead of audio and video. But anyway, there's my video on the audio eraser and how it works. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.